Hello and welcome to this week's newscast from Power Engineering International. I'm Kelvin Ross. In this week's headlines, Germany's economy minister has said that coal power will remain relevant until 2040. Vietnam has accelerated its power plant privatisation plan. Activo and Scottish Power are set to roll out smart meters in Scotland. And Norway is on board to assist with a coal power plant upgrade in Mozambique. Germany's economy minister says his country will not be phasing out brown coal before 2040, as the government looks to minimise job losses in coal-producing regions. Sigmar Gabriel told a conference in Berlin this week that coal power will not be switched off in the next decade, and possibly not within the next 20 years. This reinforces the government's message delivered in early summer. In June, Berlin distanced itself from initial proposals for a timetable to exit coal-fired power generation well before 2050. Now it plans to set up a committee for climate protection and structural change, which will deal with how to exit brown coal production while ensuring jobs for the affected regions. The committee will be asked to come up with proposals by 2018. Vietnam is attempting to speed up the privatisation of power plants owned by the three state groups that control its energy sector. The country wants to cut government ownership by 2020, signalling its commitment to raising funds and improving efficiency. The new government has invigorated the process since taking office in April. Progress has been slow due to the small stakes on offer, sizable state control and concerns about vested interests. Now the Prime Minister has listed measures to quicken privatisation of the power firms owned by state utilities Vietnam Electricity Group, Petro Vietnam and mining group Vinacomin. While the state energy groups will still own majority shares in the power plants by 2018, they will need to cut their ownership to below 50% within 2 years. The government will retain full control of power transmission, regulating the national grid, as well as building and operating major power plants. Engineering solutions company Activo has signed a 5-year partnership with Scottish Power to help deliver the rollout of smart meters in Scotland. Activo will supply around 780,000 metres to homes across central Scotland, including the cities of Glasgow and Edinburgh. Scottish Power Chief Corporate Officer Keith Anderson said smart metering will revolutionise the way customers consume and monitor their own energy use. He called the contract with Activo a significant moment for Scottish Power in the delivery of smart meters for millions of people across the UK, saying his company is determined to offer all of its customers a smart meter by the end of 2020. Norway's government is to provide $3.5 million in financial assistance towards an upgrade for the Maputo coal-fired power plant in Mozambique. The project's coordinator announced the news of the investment this week. Norway's foreign minister has now toured the power plant, where expansion work will soon begin. The project's aim is to improve the quality and quantity of the energy produced. Contracts with Germany and the European Development Bank are in the works, with a view to funding the remaining $6.6 million needed for the project. That's all from us this week. We'll see you again soon, and in the meantime, keep up with the latest power sector news on our website, Facebook page, LinkedIn group and Twitter feed.